The sanding pad both holds the sandpaper and provides a flat surface for sanding. This pad uses hook and loop paper and has holes to work with dust collection. Over time, the pad will wear out. It will become nicked around the edge if it is struck against something while sanding. The hook and loop surface will wear away and no longer hold the paper. The hook and loop will wear away much faster if pressure is applied to the sander while it is used. Replacing the sanding pad is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old sanding pad from the sander. It's secured with 4 screws. Now I can install the new sanding pad. A trick I like to use to help align the pad is I'll insert a screwdriver through one of the holes, and then I can pivot off of that to line up the other 3. Once they're in alignment, I'll begin to install the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new backing pad assembly on your sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.